Right everyone, I've just lowered the pole down. I've undid all the turnbuckles on each of the 3 sides and lowered it down, and I've taken the ugly bit off and I've put in another 51mm pole, so it's a 51mm pole all the way up. It was swaged, but that is not a antenna pole, it's more heavy duty, it's thicker, so I couldn't put the swage part inside, so I've just dropped it in that adapter there, which is good. But I can put another 10, I've got another 10 foot of swage pole that I could drop in the top of that, so they go well high. But yeah, it's all in, all done. I've got one antenna up at the moment. I've got a dipole, 11 metre dipole, which I've just got to put the coax on, and then I've got a load of antennas to go up on here. It's going to be loads. It's going to be a right old antenna farm when it's done.